Hey folks, what's up? And like I have said in the previous video that I'll be telling you the dead SD card fixed with formatting because it's fully corrupted and there is no other option to recover it. So that is what I'm going to tell you in this video. So stay tuned. Hey guys, it's usual here and you're watching only Next Neo, and today in this video I'll be telling you how to fix your dead SD card with formatting. I mean how to fix the complete corruption of your SD card. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So here I am guys in my laptop, and like I have told you in the previous video how to fix corrupted SD card without formatting it. So that was without formatting. In case that didn't work, so here is a trick that I'm going to tell you, and in this video you have to full format the SD card. If you normally format your SD card, it won't get formatted. So to do it clearly, you have to use the command prompt. So here is my SD card and it's not corrupted, but if you have a corrupted one, you have to use the command prompt. So here is the SD card. As you can see, it's actually 16 GB SD card, and this is I'm going to format it. So let's get into it. So like before, go down here and right click on it, then select command prompt admin, and administration permission will be popping up, so accept it. So here it says, do you want to allow the app to make changes to your device? So click yes, Windows command prompt. Okay, now here are some commands that you have to follow very carefully. If you do mistake, then it might get again fully corrupted. So use this command very carefully. So let's get started. So what you have to do is first you have to type diskpart. So here I'm typing diskpart, okay, then hit enter, and here the command diskpart has started. Now the main command. Now what you have to type, you have to type list disk. So it will list all the disks or drives that are present in your laptop or PC. So list disk, hit enter, and here are list of my devices, I mean my drives. So this you can see disk 0 online 1863 GB. That means it's my hard drive, and that is of 2 TB. And here the disk 1 you can see online 14 GB. That means that is my SD card, my 16 GB SD card. So after typing this, you have to type select. You have to select the disk 1. So type select disk 1. So here you are selecting the disk 1. Okay, now the command has displayed the result. Disk 1 is now the selected disk. Okay, so we have selected that disk. Now we have to do is clean. So type clean, hit enter. So message has been displayed, this part succeeded in cleaning the disk. Now what you have to type is create partition primary. So type create partition primary. So type very carefully, spelling should not be misspelled. Okay, then hit enter. Create partition primary. This part succeeded in creating the specified partition. Now what you have to do, now you have to activate the partition. So what you have to do is type active, and it will active the current partition. There are two partitions. I will tell you about the SD card, how that works and how it is made. I mean not made, I don't know how it is made, but I'll tell you the parts of the SD card. So now mark as active, hit enter. The selected disk is not fixed in MBR. Okay, the active command can only be used in MBR disk. So it says my SD card is not MBR. So let's leave it. Now what we have to do is select partition 1. So let's select partition 1. Now here you can see partition 1 is now selected partition. Now what we have to do is now type active. So still it says doesn't work, so that means this is not MBR partition, so let's leave it. Now what you have to do, the final step is to format your SD card. Now type format fs equal to FAT32. So your SD card extension is FAT32, I mean the partition type is FAT32. So you can also type here NTFS, but NTFS is only supported for laptops or your PC, but FAT32 is supported for your mobile. So after typing this command, hit enter. Now here percent will be showing, and as you can see here it's now completed, 0% completed. So it will take maybe up to 15 to 30 minutes. Okay, so let it work and be relaxed. After it's completed, I'll show you the result. Okay, so as you can see guys, it's going to be complete and it's now 98% completed. So I'll give all this command in the description, go and check out, and don't misspell the command, otherwise it can interrupt or you have to start it again. So here as you can see 100% completed, this part successfully formatted the volume. Now what you type is, now you have to exit the command from, so type exit, and that's it. This is it. Okay, so now you have understood very well how to fix your SD card. If your SD card isn't being recovered with the without format option, that check disk error command. That's it. So guys, I hope you like this video and you may have got helped, and if you got help, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get my latest updates. So see you in the next video.